Yahoo! Prof here, and we're finally gonna be cracking open these legit Amazon warehouse deals. They each get their own defined video. This, if you can't tell, is the sticky-backed Sword and Shield Vivid Voltage Vaporeon. I don't know what they call it necessarily. Yep, don't know what they call this. I'm sure once I get the card out for the online stuff, it will tell me exactly what this thing is called. But before we proceed too far, let's snap a picture for the records. That's how I know what I've already picked up, guys, is by having pictures, because names, useless. I don't recognize those. You know, if I just refresh Amazon or Walmart or whatever, I don't recognize a name, generally speaking. Or there's like a VMAX, V-boxes. I'll just see a picture and be like, I don't have that one. Alright, so these are a pain to open, which is probably why it wasn't jet. Because they're just this cardboard backed plastic, like anything you get at a store that's on a hang tag like this. Super nasty and annoying. In this back, there's like a sticker yay wide on there from something. That was pulled off, and that's probably why somebody didn't want it, because if you wanted this, like the package, as part of your collection, I can't speak of the English, you probably don't want the damaged outer, you know, because some people actually collect the packages of Pokemon cards, apparently, and not the cards within, which is what I'm after. Oh, and this Vaporeon, because it is poorly held in there, she's a curvy gal. She is a curvy gal there. It sucks about promo cards. Hydro Pump though, man. Dude, this thing fucking... I've whomped so many Pokemons online with Hydro Pump. Hey, we just pulled that guy. Not a one in here, a different set. Alright, and the online card says it is Vivid Voltage 3-pack Vaporeon. There you go. That's what it is. I'll have to make up a sleeve for the Vaporeon that says that. Alright, so we're just going to pull them in this order. Vivid Voltage is one of my more favorite packs. Not X and Y Evolutions, but it is up there. There are a lot of really, really freaking cool cards in here. At least if you ask me. Alright. I got a bit more energy than usual. It's a Friday, which meant work tends to be easier on Fridays. And this Friday was the case. So, online card, if you guys are interested in those, hit me up on Twitter at @theprophecist. And my other recommendation would be follow at TechExchangeLog on Twitter or Instagram for the latest news on the videos that are coming out and such. Since I'm a little tiny channel, which you guys, by subscribing and hitting notify and commenting and all that fun stuff, will help me make it bigger. So then you might actually see your videos in the feed right after they're published. And maybe my processing, if you're running most of these videos, take once they're uploaded to YouTube, which takes an hour or less usually. Some of the ones that are half hour or more may be under 2 hours to upload, even with my pretty decent home connection. Even the 5-minute ones can sometimes take 24 hours to process the HD version. So if you guys are ever wondering and you're watching it, and wondering why it's potato quality, YouTube. I'm tiny. They don't care about my 4K uploads. So we got an X-Drill, a Nuzleaf, Opal. I don't think I have an Opal yet. Opal. Execute. I definitely don't have this Execute yet. That is a badass freaking looking Execute. I now want that as a holo. I don't know if they make it as a holo, but I want it as a holo. Chatot. Clobbopus. Skidoo. Shuppet. Reverse Holo Clefairy, which I may already have. Womp Womp. And then follow that up with a Holo Snorlax. That's an interesting looking holo if you ask me. And then we have a Dark Energy. Let's get these guys put away up here now. Pack number 2. Of the 3 included in here. The foil separated from the plastic outer. And this is when I give up and we just slice it. Make sure not to hit your finger. Or fingy. Yeah. Alright, let's see what we can pull out of this one here. 1, 2, 3. We have a Aromatic Energy. I have yet to use any of these energies on the online, because that's all I can really play. Since I don't know too many people with cards in person, and just time and stuff like that. And I just was mostly playing to figure out the game itself. And I just haven't run into the more advanced cards yet. Hero's Metal. Hitmontop. Mudbray. Slugma. I don't remember that guy. Very red. Like Whismer. Execute. I don't know, yes. Woobat. Reverse Holo Cramorant. I think I have one of these. If I do, it's open to you guys. We have a Fortress. I do appreciate how they spell Fortress. Fortress. And then a Water Energy. Nothing too spicy there. Cramorant has to be... Oh, it's an uncommon, I guess. I thought it was a more common... Oh. I guess not. Oh, come on. Nope. See that? Did I save it? I think I saved it. Oh, baby. Let's take a sniffy sniff here. See how good this pull is. Pretty bland. Pretty bland. Alright, online card. Based on that. Probably actually pretty bland too. Hopefully we defy the odds and pull something good. We got a Dewott, which every time I say that it reminds me of Doo-Wop. It's a nice action pose, very anime, like modern anime, light novel-esque. I was gonna say key art. I don't think it's key art because key art would be frames from the. It's like the promotional one at the beginning that I can't remember the name of. B. Aromatic Energy again. Pharaoh Seed. Joltik. Sandile. Seedot. Picky Peck. Ooh, I don't have this guy, I don't think. Ear Loud. Or Explode. Why did I read Ear Loud? Explode. Yeah, it's spelled a bit odd, but... Then we have Manectric. Evolved form of electric. That's why it looks pretty dope. And is it Steel Energy? Alright, that one's pretty quick. Let's take a look at what we pulled. Alright, we have a the Vaporeon, the nice curvy Vaporeon from the actual set here. And we have a Reverse Hollow Fairy, which I think I have already. And we have a awesome Snorlax, probably my best pull in here. And we have a Cramorant, I think I have one of those too, Reverse Hollow. And a Explode. Explode? Explode. Explode. Well, that's it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this little short guy. Subscribe for some more of these Amazon warehouse deals going to be coming up that I'm like 90+% sure are legit because we checked them out in a previous video. So go and check that one out if you haven't as well. And like, subscribe, the various stuff. I say kind of struck out on the polls on this specific one, and it's very sad how bent up my poor Vaporeon is, even if that art is dope AF. Wop wop.